First thing in the morning, we were greeted by these beautiful toucans just at the restaurant outside our condo. And then we got right to it, arriving at Sky Arenal for ziplining.
To Sky Adventures Arenal for ziplining.
Our amazing guides got us geared up and ready to hit the tram all the way up to our first line. After the safety briefing, I think a lot of us were wondering, what have we gotten ourselves into? Up, up, and away we go. Look at these views. Woof!
Brave guy insists on going first before everyone else. Wow, buddy, what do you think? Pura vida, right?
Of course, they needed an adult to go before him, but he was willing.
Some last words before going?
Some last words.
Before going, right?
Before going, my last words.
Yeah.
Pura vida.
And are you gonna say something to before?
I love you, family.
Yeah?
Nice knowing you.
You wanna go fast or super fast?
Super fast.
Okay. Did you record that just in case we drop it?
Oh, I'm sending back to you. Super fast.
Ready?
Yes.
Wonder if we're having fun yet, huh? About halfway through, we got to regroup on this big platform and have some beverages complimentary of the guides, and then we were off and going again. Sarah thought it would get easier after each line, but I'm not sure if her stomach felt the same way. We've made it with one last line to spare after we descend these really twirly long set of stairs. Man, did we have fun. So many laughs, so many fears conquered. It was just a blast, and we were so proud of everybody and each other. Apparently, some of us were so excited to be done, we drove away with the hatch open. And now the adrenaline is wearing off. Quick pit stop for some souvenirs and refreshments, and then we were on our way right into the next adventure.
We made it to La Fortuna Waterfall. Here we go.
With that familia. Hey.
After the long but pretty easy trek down, we were treated with the reward. What a massive amount of water pouring in. We hiked around the corner, over some rocks, down to some pools to play and swim, and enjoyed ourselves before we went back up. Snapped this gorgeous family photo before we headed back up. Some of us were carried, some of us were fireman carried. I was neither of those. And then we were treated with ice cream at the top.
Then what do you say?
What about sauce?
Okay, what sauce?
What do you like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Where's your manners?
What did you say?
What do you say?
Apparently still hungry for just a bit more. On to the next.
We've arrived at El Salto. Woo, she looks like it's gonna take some kahunas. Some kahunas. Woo-hoo.
Unfortunately, the rocks took a round out of us before we could take a round out of El Salto, and we had to leave early. We spotted the ravine behind our condo, then we ordered dinner at the restaurant right close by. He even let us just haul our meals right on back to our own poolside pool party dinner party. What a great way to end the night. Quick family game, and then some of us enjoyed the full moon before we laid our head to bed.